7:16, I'm News 10 NBC meteorologist Rich Healy. Let's go to live Doppler 10. We just got some new information from the Weather Service in Buffalo. They have just issued now a severe thunderstorm warning for the part of that storm which has just rolled through Caledonia. We were telling you that on the air a few minutes ago. It looked kind of nasty with some strong winds. Reports of maybe winds close 50, 60 miles an hour with that part of the storm, and that is going to be tracking towards the southern and eastern suburbs of Rochester and then into western parts of Wayne County. So that is the brand new severe thunderstorm watch, which has just been issued again for the east side, northern parts of Livingston County and the western parts of Wayne County. Now that we brought up this map, I can also point out that the tornado warning has been dropped down in Wyoming County. That is not showing up anymore. So just as of the last minute or so, the tornado warning that was you guys in Wyoming County were under, that has been dropped. Well, there's now been a brand new severe thunderstorm warning just now issued for the east side, southern suburbs, northern Livingston County, out into western parts of Wayne County. So again, brand new warning just issued, and also the tornado warning just canceled for you guys down in Wyoming County. And here's that nasty storm. You see this? This is what we call a little bit of a bow echo. You see how there's that turn in the radar right now, just moving towards Avon, just leaving Caledonia towards Avon. That's usually indicative of some very strong, damaging winds. And it's with that part of the storm, which is now moving off to the east-northeast, that could be producing some very severe weather over parts of the area. So that will be close to Henrietta within about 10 minutes at 11:30. Perrington, 11:41. Macedon, 11:50. Arcadia out near Newark at just after the noon hour. And if it does hold together, we'll be out towards Sodus just about 12:11 or so. So again, that path where this is going, near and south of the Thruway, north of 5 and 20, near just north of Avon. That would be towards Honeoye right now, Honeoye Falls. So that's going to be in the path of that storm. As it crosses towards Mendon, those areas stand by. Maybe just near or north of Victor as well. Could be under the gun for this system. Pittsford, areas, again, south of Rochester and north of 5 and 20. That's where this nasty part of the storm looks to be forming right now, and it's heading in that general direction. So again, you guys down there really want to stand by. Take this one seriously because the impact could be, again, a very strong gust of wind, damaging winds with that part of the storm. So again, also want to point out real quick that down towards the south, nasty storms rolling through Warsaw and Perry right now, but that tornado warning for you guys has been canceled. This is the part of the storm now we're more concerned about. You can see a very pronounced bow echo right now just south of the city of Rochester. There's the New York State Thruway. There's 390. There's Avon. And look at that. You can see that big curve right in there. It's that location where those very strong winds will be crossing 390 shortly, headed towards Mendon, eventually towards maybe the Victor area, Bushnell's Basin, down towards areas of also northern Ontario County. That could include Farmington. Those areas could be in line for some very severe weather as that storm continues to track off towards the east. So again, this is what we're going to be tracking very closely as we go through the next half hour. Very heavy rains in the city, but not much bad weather right now with this part of the storm. It's just to our south. This is where there's some very, very nasty weather right now, right on the Monroe County, Livingston County line. Again, that's moving right over Avon at this time, crossing 390, affecting areas near and south of Henrietta. May get parts of Brighton as well. East Rochester, Pittsford, Victor, Bushnell's Basin, all of you guys be alert, especially towards the Mendon area. This storm means business. Very strong winds in that part of the storm, and that is quickly sliding off to the east-northeast at 45 miles an hour. So that's where the new severe thunderstorm warning is in place. The tornado warning that was up for you guys in Wyoming County has been canceled. Tornado warning has been canceled. We'll continue to monitor this storm as it moves along. We'll have another live